Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a refreshing topic that's all about rejuvenation and wellness. If you're looking to flush out toxins and shed some extra pounds naturally, you're in the right place. We're sharing the 5 best detox drinks for weight loss that will not only invigorate your body, but also tantalize your taste buds. So, grab a glass and let's get started. First up, we have the classic lemon water. This simple yet powerful drink is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. Just squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water and enjoy it first thing in the morning. It helps kickstart your metabolism, aids digestion, and can even help curb cravings throughout the day. Plus, it's incredibly refreshing. Next on our list is green tea. Known for its numerous health benefits, green tea is a fantastic detox drink. Rich in catechins, it boosts your metabolism and enhances fat burning. Brew a cup of green tea and enjoy it hot or iced. You can even add a slice of lemon or a bit of honey for extra flavor. It's a delightful way to hydrate while supporting your weight loss journey. Our third detox drink is a vibrant cucumber and mint infusion. Simply slice up a cucumber and toss in a handful of fresh mint leaves into a pitcher of water. Let it sit in the fridge for a few hours to allow the flavors to meld. This drink is not only refreshing, but also helps to flush out toxins and keep you hydrated. Cucumber is low in calories and high in water content, making it a perfect companion for your weight loss goals. Coming in at number 4 is a delicious beetroot juice. Beets are known for their detoxifying properties and can help improve liver function. Blend fresh beetroot with a bit of apple and ginger for a sweet and spicy kick. This drink is not only vibrant in color, but also packed with nutrients that support your overall health. Enjoy it as a mid-morning snack or a post-workout refreshment. Last but certainly not least, we have a warm ginger and turmeric tea. Both ginger and turmeric are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and can aid in digestion. Simply steep fresh ginger and turmeric in hot water and add a touch of honey for sweetness. This soothing drink is perfect for winding down after a long day, while also supporting your weight loss efforts. Incorporating these detox drinks into your daily routine can be a game changer for your health and wellness journey. Remember, it's all about balance and making choices that nourish your body. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more refreshing health tips. Cheers to your health and happiness.